how to get yourself free pets in Grow a Garden. I'll be telling you how to actually get yourself some free pets in Grow a Garden, and it's pretty much very simple. There's a new update and you can actually get yourself the new pets right here, and you can sell these pets to the stand as well, so you can make profit of your pets. These pets can also help you grow your garden. They will increase mutations. Some pets will actually increase mutations on your plant, faster growing rates, or different abilities. It depends on the pet that you have. These pets also restock every 30 minutes or an hour, I'm not really sure. And please strike me down, strike my farm down. I wanna have a glowing farm. Please make my farm glow. Alright, so what you wanna do is go over to this guy and you can pretty much buy eggs right here for 50k credits. You can just buy them right here, and these eggs will change rarity. There is some rare eggs, there is some common eggs. Right now we got 3 common eggs, which is not that interesting, but in the future you can actually get yourself some rare shiny eggs with some crazy animals. And right now I am growing these, and you can also skip growth. Should I skip the growth? I should probably skip the growth. Let's see what happens. Alright, grow is skipped. Hatch animal, bang. What are we gonna? I'm gonna chicken? Chicken! No, it's a dog. It's a dog. We got a dog. Look at the dog mans. Look at the dog mans. We got the little dog mans right here. But we have to sell him. Sadly, we have to sell him. Yo. How much is this worth? How much is it worth? 8k? Yeah, these eggs are a gamble. These eggs are a gamble because I just bought this dog for 50k and now it's 8k. Alright. Let's sell it. Let's just sell it. Alright. Did anything hit? Oh, did it hit? Look. It hit. Look, it hit. Thunder. Like the game if you want thunder in the game.